guys, how's it going today? Well, this is the last day of harvest. We did a little bit last night, but it was pretty late. Got 120 acres left here. Dad, you ready for the last day? He's pretty pumped. Some of our best canola, so good stuff. Like I said, yeah, we did a little bit last night, but it was already pretty late, so just gonna hop on in the 8120 here and we'll get going here. Look at that. You can't even tell that there's a window there. Here we go. Last day of harvest. Gotta go all the way to the fence line over there, and then that'll be it. A little bit tough this morning. Oh well. Actually, it's probably like 12 o'clock now. I think a little bit more than that, but anyway. Engine load's running a little bit high, but through the day I think it should get better. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys here in a minute. Sorry, Dad was talking on the radio there. But yeah, this will be it for the canola, and then do some baling, pick some bales, and maybe some harrowing, custom combining, and we'll see. We'll see what goes on, but beautiful October 1st day, so we're gonna keep it on here. And I will talk to you guys here in a little bit. Doing the best job spreading this morning. Doesn't feel too wet. I gotta stop saying this morning. It's like 1 o'clock in the afternoon, so I think it'll get better as the day goes on. Let's get back at it. Just gonna say we're pretty fortunate to be almost done here. I was looking at the weather this morning. It doesn't look too bad, but on Saturday, it's Tuesday today. On Saturday, it looks like there might be some rain mixed in with snow overnight, and then October 9th, maybe some more snow, but that's 9 days away, so you never know. So we're just fortunate we're able to get this off. I know some guys are not as fortunate, they got a lot to go, but we started lentils August 26th, I think. Yeah, August 26th. Didn't really get any video of those, but they were really good, so still giving her in the canola here. Pretty happy with this crop. It had the, like, it has the stand for a lot more, but it's going, I think, 45-ish. I think all of our other canola did around 40s, so ending on the best stuff, so that's nice. You can see it coming in the back there. Just a beautiful October 1st day to finish harvest. But anyway, I will talk to you guys here in a little bit. Breaking up real good now. It's about 4:30. Just behind Dad here. The end is in sight. There's the fence line over there. Maybe got some supper coming here soon, but I just wanted to say after harvest, let me know what kind of videos you want to see. There's going to be some, still got harrowing to do, a little bit more baling, picking bales, so the work's not even close to be being done yet. So this winter we're thinking about rebuilding the tractor as well, and maybe some sledding videos. We'll see what goes on there. But anyway, we are yeah, almost done here. Should be an easy day. Perfect wind out there. It's about plus 19 with a, I'd say a 25k wind. Not too bad. So anyway, I will talk to you guys here in a little bit. We're having quite the time with our GPSs today. I'm not sure if there's something going on, but like it's going all over the place. So, but we're gonna keep fighting it here. Don't have too much left, so we're gonna tough her out. Grain cart over there, Semi. I'm not sure where Jaden is, but Dad's in front of me. Get her done. Well, this is one problem I've been dealing with. Whenever that canola comes over the Piauger, it gets caught here. And then when it finally goes in, it just plugs the header. So let's see if, already had to get out and pull a bunch off, but let's see if we got it here. Nope. Try again here. We're on the kochia side of the field, so green canola, well, not super green, but just does not work super good. I think we almost got it. Come on. So close. Come on, one more, I think. Nope, gotta go pull some more off. Be right back. Okay, let's see if that did anything. A little bit more off here, so. Reverse it again. Come on. Almost I got it. You can see all that green canola in there. We'll do it to you. I pulled everything off the canvas, and this is what kind of the problem is here. So let's see if she goes now. She better. We got her unplugged, and then I started it up again, and I heard a really loud squeaking noise, and one of the sickle section bolts came out. So good old mechanic Jaden over there came out, helped me out, got a new bolt in there, and we're rolling again. We're about to be. Don't have too much left to go here, so the end is in sight. Well, it's dark now, and I am on the last little strip of Harvest 25. We finished on the other side over here, or on the other side of the field, excuse me, and just had a little strip left over here. Dad's unloading, or he's about to. I got quite a bit on, almost 3/4. But that'll do it for Harvest 25. Thank you guys so much for watching the YouTube videos. I just decided to make a channel in Durham, so that'll do it. October 1st. We started August 26th, I think. Like I said, I think I said that earlier in the video, but if I did not. But yeah, that'll do it. beautiful night to get her done. So there we go. We just hit 3/4 now. Gonna take everything back home and call her a night, I think, after this. Sorry guys, phone rang there, but almost done. Take a video of the last little bit here. Finally, so happy to be done. It's time to get some harrowing done, do some baling, and that'll be that for the fall. So there we go. That's all she wrote for her. That's all she wrote for Harvest 25. Awesome. Little face reveal here for the end of harvest. I would take my hood off, but it's freezing in here, so. Done harvest 25. Awesome. Well, that'll do it. Another beautiful day of combine and done, and Harvest 2025 is all wrapped up. So that means I think I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to the Thresher Ag YouTube channel and liking the video if you're interested. And I think that's it. I'm gonna turn the key off here, and Harvest 25 is officially done. Thanks for watching. See you later.